No, don't go looking for it. Shoot the first one, hold around there. Don't go back to the trap looking for it. Shoot the first one and literally just hold out.
Hold. Hold.
Well shot.
Great shot.
Had you fired, it was yours.
I was about to pull. Hold. Fucking hell.
Well, nothing. I'm shooting the blazer.
Not your normal gun.
If Rob Paddy's going.
Where's yours?
Huh?
Where's yours?
Down there.
Oh.
Bradley's using it.
Ah.
But
Thanks. Do you want to borrow a proper gun?
no, I like this. Just give me a second, there's a different trigger pull on it. Oh. Oh.
You got it the first time. Actually, yeah. Pull! 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 No birds. No birds.
No word. Fuck you anyway.
He had caught it. He caught it before you pulled the trigger. Last kill.
Oh, I better get him. No, I kept watching.
Thanks, mate. Pull. Pull. Oh, you bitch. Pull. They look okay from here.
They're not overly bad. It's just when you go in, where your whole point is,
Yeah.
how you want to catch their attention.
Right,
So
okay.
then it's the question of, do I shoot the high one, then go for the low one, or do
Yeah.
I shoot the low one?
Well, being right-handed, natural flow is that way. When they come out the trap, they're moving that way as well. So you've got to take the back one, they're moving forward to the front one. My view.
You would think that.
Yeah, but it's what the eye's going to catch you though.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
Your whole point is the higher one is catching is literally when you're holding,
Yeah.
literally cross over top your barrel, and the instinct to swing trigger is there. But
then you're going back.
Yeah, but you see, when you shoot the high one, you just have to drop down, and the low
and
one's
keep
already
still.
there.
So which way did you do the high one first?
Rather shooting the ball first.
Right.
Most consistently it will be high-low.
Oh really? Okay.
I understand the theory of shooting the low one and then your gun's still moving.
Yeah, because your gun's still moving. So.
Look where he's getting out there.
Yeah.
So he's obviously curling out to be below, a little bit out in front of it to make it all work. When you have him dispatched and you come down, he's already closing into your bar.
Right. So it's yeah. So it's just.
So it's literally just watch it and then shoot at your own well, like that kind of a thing.
He went for the high one first.
Yeah, it's each to their own, like.
Yeah.
But in theory, where your whole point is, what I found anyway, my whole point was, first one is literally straight out the bar, and then it's less work on the second one.
Right. Okay.
What you can do for the natural thing, I did it on the first card of Paddy. I let the first one go by me barrel, waited for the second one, I shot the second one, then went on to that one. I shot 6, and then I shot a 6 the other way. Just looked around like. So it's not really.
There's no real.
Much of a much like.
Yeah.
Pull. 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 Pull.
8 on this one. How many have you shot? Pull. the first one. Pull! 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 Last kill. Last kill. Pair killed. Pair killed. 6 scored.